Hey everyone, and welcome to another release notes video for the Debutify theme 7.2. We have new features, improvements, and bug fixes. As always, this is now press and news on the website. You can see all of our updates for all of our apps, and we're also now starting strongly to work on our roadmap. Okay, now we've got about a 6-month collective roadmap, and we're working on a method so that everyone can see what that roadmap is, to see updates, whether it is bugs that are being fit. Well, bugs is more in the latest ones, new features coming out as we add that to the roadmap. We're becoming so very structured and proactive. We're really trying to be 100% transparent about that and completely take the entire market, so that everyone's clear what our collective roadmap is that we're getting every of these small apps into the theme, making it quick, easy, customizable out of the box, okay? And that's where we're very strongly going towards. If you have questions about that or have any feedback, we have our upvote. You can contact customer service, or you can send an email to support@debutify.com at any stage. We listen to all feedback. We might not be able to do things immediately, but we definitely add it to our roadmap as we look into that, because all this feedback's very important. Okay, so what's new in 7.2? 7.2 is out now. Just to be clear, you can download it. Whatever plan you're on, you can download it. This one is another important one. We have image with text. With the new image with text, you can create visually stunning sections by pairing images with text. This widget is perfect for promotions, product highlights, or showcasing your brand's unique features. You can customize the container size, the image size, desktop and mobile size, content layout, image behavior, and the color scheme. Okay, now we're working on all of that as well to make sure that it matches everything in your brand. Other things we have is the menu bar enhancement. We've introduced additional settings to let you fully personalize your store's menu bar, offering your customers a more intuitive and flexible option. Okay, we've had a lot of feedback about our menu bar to really give it more flexibility. We're also working on the mega menu. That's in future updates as part of our roadmap. We have alignment options, link styles, hover effects, featured link, and the color scheme again. So basically, we're really trying to make it as flexible as possible. I should add, with our color scheme, we're centralizing all of that. We've probably been a little bit too hard on granularity with color schemes. We're centralizing, simplifying it so that there's a standard. That's upcoming in the next upcoming releases, because we're just fixing that, have to rejig a few things. We're really strongly working on simplicity. What we've found in the Debutify theme is we have a lot of very advanced features, but it can be a little bit too overwhelming. So we're really trying to make it out of the box friendly. We're really trying to have things like placeholder text and simplify. So over these next upcoming releases, that's what we're working on, a lot of aesthetic upgrades as well as out of the box experiences and new features at the same time. The most important one of this is our quantity breaks has been updated. It now has a fresh new look, right? It is absolutely modern. The other one was pretty dated. This one is now very modern and very flexible and scalable across your entire store. Most importantly, we've done a lot of bug fixes in this one as well. Hard to read fonts and elements on the cart page after installing 7.0.2. Trust budget section placeholder missing under the checkout button is now fixed. The Klaviyo integration was failing to initialize. We've got a number of feedback for that. Now fixed. The live chat widget was not actually applying in 7.1 and beyond. The cart page color scheme resetting when the product quantity is updated. Product prices not displaying on the collection page grid. Links not following the set color link but using standard color text instead. Logo list overview issues, so it just doesn't look nice and aesthetic. Colors not applying correctly when moving from version 6 to version 7. So we're fixing a lot of these underlying bugs, and over the next couple of ones, we're doing a few last little fixes when it comes to this, and then it will be primarily, we're anticipating little to no bugs and mainly just new features. Okay, we've got features like before and after, we've got the comparison table, we've got the marquee, we've got the horizontal ticker, we've got more testimonial features, We've got tons more. We've got landing pages coming into it as well, landing page templates. We're also building an AI product page builder, an AI store builder as well. Really trying to make this very quick, very easy, and out of the box, okay? We've been working really hard on that, and so I just wanted to, give you those updates about this latest update. I hope you have enjoyed that. If you want the latest 7.2 update, just log into your account. There's the download button. Download it, apply it to your store. If you have any issues, contact our support team. We have full support about that as well. I should add in the next upcoming releases as well, we have our store updater, so it can help with backups for remote updates. We're really also helping with updates to make that more seamless. So across the board, things are really moving really well. Very excited for all of these releases. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment down below. Thank you very much for your time. Take care and goodbye.